Nice one, Cole. Like, I didn't even see it, I heard it. Name what? What? Bee buzzer. Oh. Yep. I ain't got nothing else, man. Good low frog fish. There's one right there. Oh no. I got a knot in my shit again. Thankfully it came out. He's an angry little guy, wasn't he? He was not messing around. Come on, Cole, you got this, man. Me too, trust me. You ain't even fat. No, but he's in that grass. But he didn't waste no time after I hooked him in the side. Fucking joking me. Get him, Cole. Yeah, they will. Uh-oh. Got you one. Nice one, Cole. Like, I didn't even see it, I heard it. Name what? Pretty good one. That might be the intro. I know, I'm proud of you, man. You know why? Do you understand why I love frogging so much? Ooh, I heard it. I didn't have to see it. Sounded like a nice one too. Nice.
I was in like 6 pounds of grass. Now hook them underneath the jaw.
Yeah, sometimes that shit happens. Sometimes they just swipe at it, you know?
That's the one I just caught.
How's that?
Pretty sure it is anyway. Maybe not.
So if you want to go ahead and call it, man, I'm good.
Where we go?
To fucking quarry? Probably a carp. It was big, whatever the fuck it was. Alright, man. So we got it. They'll probably want us to get out of here anyway, so. Kind of hoping by the time we get down there it'll stop raining, or it's not raining down there. I mean, I don't give a shit about the rain, I know. You know what I mean?
Yeah, this guy's working, I'm running.
Did you see that one video of Ben Milliken whenever he was fishing in a thunderstorm and his line was up in the air? Wow.
Why's my rod line lifting off the ground? They hear.
That'd be scary, man. Well, I'm glad you caught your first frog too.
Caught 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 of them. But just so you're aware, see the bottom of that frog, how it's got like a V in it? That's more of a walking frog, like the one you got. It's more of a walking frog. If you're trying to throw it on top, see the mats down there?
Yeah.
If you're gonna throw it on top of that, you want it more flat. Because this kind of goes back and forth and it'll hang up a little bit more in that stuff. But yeah, just if you ever go to buying frogs, like look at all the angles and make sure it's either flat or a V bottom. I mean, you can make the V bottoms work in mats and cheese and shit, but it's not like the greatest. It won't just, huh?
You like cheese, don't you?
Oh, I mean, who doesn't like cheese? Tell you, my daughter will fucking fight you over cheese. Because I remember, because my wife gets, she makes this like sausage biscuit thing with cheese on it, and she puts like an extra piece of cheese on it.
That sounds amazing.
And Alora was always like, I love sliced cheese. And Alora's expecting Carrie to give her a piece. And she does, but it's just funny. She's like, I love sliced cheese. It's just that Jimmy Dean stuff.
That sounded terrible.
What?
It's not like you just slammed a rod in your door.
No, I didn't. No. But it's just that Jimmy Dean sausage bit. I think it's got like a sausage, an egg, and then a piece of cheese. And it's on a biscuit.
Oh, Corey, here we come.
Yeah.